Now, the budget estimates may already be out, but in just 4 days, the ritual of reading the estimates to the country will be the first time that many Kenyans will know what the Jubilee government intends to prioritize in the country's biggest budget yet. That's at 1.77 trillion shillings. Security will obviously be a big ticket item in this year's budget, but what else needs to be prioritized? And even more important, where will we get the money for this budget? KTN's Asham Mwilu pounded the pavement today to find out what some Kenyans believe should be top on the budgetary agenda.
It's that time of the year again when the Finance Cabinet Secretary will make his long drive to Parliament and push through the human wall of Kenyans anxious to know what the budget entails. On Thursday, Henry Rotich will lead Treasury in reading the anticipated 2014-2015 budget pegged at an all-high 1.77 trillion shillings. The government has already picked what's important for the next financial year, and these priority areas will guide how the national pie will be divided. But what have Kenyans listed as their priorities?
Naangalia mambo ya watoto. Juu alituahidi wakati wa campaign watapewa watoto nini? Laptop. Hizo laptop hata wale hujaiona.
Na school fees walisema watoto watasoma bure. Saa hii watoto ndio natakikana pesa kwa shule sawa. Hata tumeshangaa kama parents tufanye namna gani?
Maisha ikuwe vile walikuwa wamesema, na tunaomba tena mambo ya security waweke ikuwe mzuri.
Serikali ni tudanganya tukiwapeleka waende mbele. Watatuwekea vitu irudi chini, maziwa irudi chini, unga irudi chini, na saa hizi unga inakuwa juu, maziwa juu, transport juu. Sasa serikali inatupeleka wapi?
Apart from having to justify the 1.77 trillion budget, Treasury is expected to have a hard time explaining to Kenyans where exactly this money will come from. And financial experts predict that Kenyans will be forced to bear the burden.
1.8, 1.9 trillion. The chances that we're going to spend 1.8, 1.9 are pretty low. We have never spent what we budgeted to spend. You will always see that money comes back into the central coffer of unused budget allocation.
We will see inflation increasing for that particular matter. The Kenyans will continue, enjoying very high expenses, if we can use that particular term. Whatever you buy will be more expensive by 2%. So it is going to be very expensive for Kenyans.
Commodity prices have been going up every other day, and I don't expect it to be any better after the reading of this budget.
I would rather not have the taxes going up. I would rather have the budget that we have always had.
Kabla wajasoma budget, wa review ile budget ya last year, ili wananchi wajue kama zile vitu zenye waliweka kwa ile budget ile iliyopita walifanya au hawakufanya.
As this first financial year under President Uhuru Kenyatta's rule comes to an end, it's no doubt that Kenyans have more expectations from the young government this coming year. At the end of it, how the government addresses Kenyans' priorities will be the base of their judgment. Asham Mwilu, KTN, Nairobi.